Well, good evening, everybody. This is the stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the FREEWISE, fan, and it's a handheld fan. It comes in a package. This is pink, I believe. Let's open it, shall we? How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. So this is the bottom of it, right here. I'll pull this down just a little bit, because you know what I look like. And then put this down here. Put this over here. And this fits in here like this. I have one something like this. This is a little bigger than the other one, but that's good. These fans are absolutely, positively fantastic. They actually do cool you, okay? I'm going to plug it in here. There you go. Okay, so that plugs in. Then I am going to take this out for a minute and plug this in. Let's see if it works. I'll get it in a minute. My hands are arthritic, as you know. Okay, so let's plug this in. We plug it in, yeah. There you go. It's on. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It has 3 speeds. It's off. So that works really, really good. And I'm going to put this probably somewhere here because I have one over there, and because you know, I don't like, well, I like the air conditioner, but not so much in this room. We'll see anyway. This will be my first summer up here, so we'll see whether I need an air conditioner or not. So again, this is the FREEWISE, and it's a air conditioner, handheld, so I can hold it near me and whatever. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.